How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Crypto versus Cash. I just wanted to make a video as kind of a public service announcement. It is the last month to get into cryptocurrency. The market cap today has hit $779 billion. We were very close to that $1 trillion mark. So yeah, guys, I'm going to just pull up some screenshots real quick. So I took a screenshot of CoinMarketCap on December 30th. It is now the 5th. So let's just look how many days. I think that's like 6 days. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Yeah, sorry, that's 6 days. So in only 6 days, Bitcoin has went up from $12,900 with a market cap of $217 billion to almost $300 billion, and it is now almost worth $17,000. Ripple has went up from $2.35 to $3.12. So it actually was a lot higher, so it might actually be a decent time to get into Ripple. It's kind of went down a little bit. I'm actually personally putting more money into Ripple. I have quite a bit of Ripple myself. I'm in it for the money, guys. I really have. I'm gonna sell it. I really don't like the Bankers token, but I'm in it for the money. So Ethereum, it's up from $700. Pretty stoked on that. I got a good amount of Ethereum. Cardano is kicking ass. It's at $1 right now. It was much higher. I forget what it peaked at, but it was much higher. But 5 days ago, it was at 60 cents. So pretty good growth there. NEM's had incredible growth. I don't actually hold any NEM, but NEM it's kicking ass right now. I don't know if I'd buy it right now. It's on a high, but yeah, Tron. I don't even have Tron on this screenshot, but Tron is like really exploded. I don't personally hold Tron, but I wish I did. Litecoin is up. I hold quite a bit of Litecoin. I'm really enthusiastic about Litecoin, to be honest with you. I think they've got really, really good tech, and I think everybody should look at their white paper, because if you understand what they're doing, you're going to want to hold it like really, really badly. Another thing I really want to walk you guys through is the market cap. So we have almost hit $1 trillion. So, well, we're not quite hit it, but we're getting close. So $779 billion. So I would suspect by the end of the month we'll hit $1 trillion. I wouldn't be surprised to see a lot more than that, to be honest, based on the growth. As you can see on the 29th, just 7 days ago, we had just under a $600 billion market cap. So almost $180 billion in 7 days added to the market cap. And also, the other interesting thing to pay attention to is the market cap of Bitcoin. So, the dominance of Bitcoin. So back in December 16th, I took a really interesting screenshot that shows the Bitcoin dominance, and it was only at it was at 54.9%, but now it's only at 39, or just under 39%. So it might be a decent time to get some Bitcoin. Or that might be a sign that Bitcoin is kind of dying, which I'm actually probably a little bit more inclined to believe. I personally have put most of my money into Litecoin. I'm very, very bullish on Litecoin. I would recommend getting into it. In my opinion, Litecoin under $500 is like buying Bitcoin last year under $500. So yeah, I recommend that everybody get into cryptocurrency before it is too late. And yeah, so if you're going to get into cryptocurrency, the exchange I'd recommend is Coinbase. They're the most used exchange. I use them all the time. This is my account right here. I don't have very much in here right now. I got one Litecoin and a little bit of Bitcoin, not a whole lot though. But yeah, it's really easy to buy Bitcoin. Just use your credit card. But yeah, guys, if you're going to sign up and you're looking to buy cryptocurrencies, use the link in the description, take you to a page like this, and when you sign up, you will get $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up and make your first deposit and like buy some Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum. And like I said, guys, look into Litecoin. Everybody should understand what they're doing, because if you asked anybody in cryptocurrency today, like what the cryptocurrency they would use to send a transaction or to like take a payment, I guarantee you 9 out of 10 of them would say Litecoin. I myself would say Litecoin, because it's the easiest. It's like one of the lowest fees. It's easy to send. Yeah, I can't really say enough good things about it. Everybody should look into it, because a lot of people are hopping on board, and it's kind of at a low right now, actually, because it was much higher, and I kind of expect it to go much higher than it was before. But anyways, I'm not going to keep rambling on, and I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and do not take what I'm saying as financial advice. I encourage everybody to do their own research. And yeah, anyways, use the link in the description if you're going to get started with Coinbase, and be sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos.